drink, but they won't know what we're drinking. Iced tea is pretty good. We do it. Like, gonna be like that. Covered.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at that. Very nice, very nice.
Sorry, look at that. Wrong angle on that deal. Oh, this is the kind of angle I wanted.
Look at that meat. Oh yeah.
Directly over the product.
Look at that smokiness. Look at that steam.
If only y'all could smell this.
Talks like she wants everybody to hear what she leave the store.
Alright, so this is the Walmart stuff.
Great value.
Great value. Put that over there on the pasta side. Here, let me help.
So this one's almost ready.
And that goes away. Finish layering your pasta.
Yeah, this one's gonna go right here.
And then bring the pasta closer. Let me hold it.
Pasta's gonna go. This one's gonna go right here.
So you don't lose the meat. Just go pasta first, and then I'll be transferred. Oh yeah.
And the green. Yeah.
So we're not going all too hard, heavy on the cheese. Maybe on the top is where we want most of the cheese gonna be.
Yeah, here we're gonna become fat boys if we don't get cheese.
Lightly dust with the seasoned meats. It's not a meatloaf, so you wanna have just like a little even.
Yeah, for me the lasagna is all about the pasta. A little
Pasta
bit,
and the
yeah.
sauce.
I like a little bit of bite from the meat, but the pasta itself. So we get to zoom in, we can transfer back and forth. Put a little bit of this.
Oh yeah.
We could probably end up finishing this one right now because I have all this pasta ready. So we can do another layer. You want to grab a little taste of that?
Yeah, let's do it. There you go.
It's not overpowering, just enough seasoning.
Cool.
Hopefully that sauce will bring out all the pasta. The pasta is nice and well salted, so.
Little do they know, there's more videos coming like this.
So
That's what I'm talking about. A little extra cheese. I saw that extra dash.
That might not be enough meat for both of them, so we can probably do this last layer.
Yeah, we'll do the last layer, man, and then we'll sauce it, and we'll start on the other one and see what happens. Whoa! Oh, are we almost out of pasta?
No, pasta. There's enough pasta to go until tomorrow. We're almost out of.
Cool. Move this one out the way. Here, let me get that. The good thing about the great value pasta, she's hearty.
Yeah, there's a lot of that. There's a lot of extra pasta there.
And it's not gonna get soggy. So the other one.
Yeah, that was really delicate.
Mm-hmm. That might be the fancier tasting one.
What's that?
Okay,
Going
let me-
around telling again?
Oh, I want to pick some of that stuff up too.
Ooh, that ran down my hand.
Ooh.
And I lost it.
Did we catch that?
I didn't even see it.
Was that caught on camera?
Yep, sure was.
Oh.
May need an instant replay.
Now, one of these days, some Italian's going to walk up to Carlos and just slap him.
Right.
How dare you ruin the pasta?
Yeah.
Well, that was one of the last ones. It actually fit there perfectly since that slice was cut off by itself.
So, listen, that's going to be a thin one. We'll cheese it, and that's it. And that's done, son.
So there's 2 layers of meat on there.
Yeah, we're not going to do more, and we're going to triple stack the big boy.
I'm gonna cheese this.
Let me know when someone's ready for. Or do you any preheat the oven? What?
We'll sprinkle this with cheese once the next one's done, son. We'll finish the layers. Don't drop that.
Look at all these chicken.
Mm-hmm.
That's one of my favorite videos.
Check the pasta.
Where the little girls like.
What's the texture?
I can actually
Just take a
grab
bite
this
out of
with
it.
your hands.
Just take a bite.
Yeah, they stick together. So.
Oh, it's a little soggy.
Cool.
Cool.
No, it's not.
Start
It's not
it.
soggy. It's actually al dente.
Corona. Perfect. Actually, it's perfection. Just start layering these puppies. Alright, I was recording. Meow, meow, meow. Alright, it's go time.
The music stopped.
Oh, man, I had a ton of cheese.
It's already been an hour.
Mhm.
Damn.
Yeah, let me play some music.
You know, one of my favorite channels is Epic Meal Time.
Something with a snappy beat that makes you want to snap your fingers, tap your toes, and shake your butt. Yeah, this lasagna is gonna be stacked. As a matter of fact, I think we could top off the other one to protect it, because it's so delicate, with a little bit of this pasta. Hold on, be gentle with that meat. We can do one more layer on the other one with this pasta. Here. What you think? How much pasta we have left?
For what? That one? This one?
Yeah, how much is this?
Just of that right there?
Ooh, no, we still
But
got
that one's not even made.
I thought you said we were running out of that one. Oh, it was the meat.
No, the meat.
Yeah, we can do one more layer. Yeah, this one we'll just put the last layer, some cheese, and melt it. Whatever sauce is left later on, cool. If not, it's fine.
There's no sauce.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it. One more layer on the other one because this one's getting fat. It's getting a little obese. Alright.
Is that alright?
Yeah. Perfect. So since this pasta is already cooked now, let's just use this on him. Right now. Damn, that's some weak sauce. Look at that. There's almost no meat on it.
Like a tuna, you can tuna piano, but you can't tuna fish. Okay. The theory of relativity.
Just tomato sauce.
Perfect. Then we top it off with a little bit of just raw tomato.
Like
Because
magic.
it's looking a little poor. Hopefully that oven action will release some of the moisture from the pasta. Keep it crunchy instead of chewy instead of mush. Give him a first bite.
Oh, you got a little one? Yeah, you good?
All
They're not
right,
as
look at that.
bad though as last time.
Perfection. No, I'm not wearing pants. I don't think I'd ever.
But I'm saying they're not as
So
bad.
should I put them on the top or the bottom rack?
Top rack. We'll wait. We got plenty of time.
There's the alarm. Perfect timing. Oven's at the temp. Put the countdown timer.
All right.
Or not. We'll just do a. We'll clip back when it's almost ready.
We can just check our phone time.
So we're out.
Start what?
You're not on. You're not recording. All right. That looks fantastic. Are we recording? All right, man. I'll see you later.
All right, later. All right.
Come on, Los. So we're here. The lasagna's been in the oven for 10-15 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's see what kind of crunch we got.
You want to bring it around or you want to?
Oh yeah. Let's see if we can. Let's see what it looks like. Open that thing. Put the GoPro on there. Oh, looking a little foggy is what it is. Let's see. All right. So it smells like crusty cheese. It may not be as melted or as crunchy as I want it, but that's perfection right there.
We can turn on the broiler.
Yeah, actually, you know what? We should do that. Let's turn on the broil for 3 minutes. Push broil. Oh, there you go.
We'll be right back.
Yeah, no, well, we gotta watch this puppy. But yeah, we will be right back. There you go.
Green.
You smell this thing? We'll put a nice crust on the top with a broiler.
It actually looks really good.
Smells good.
Alright, so what you want to do is you want to let it cool down before you start cutting into it. And then start serving, because if you cut it into it too soon, it'll just fall apart. You want it nice, give it nice time to rest and settle. Otherwise, it's gonna be piping hot, and you're gonna burn your mouth while you're eating
So
it.
what's with this green light? Tell us.
This green light is
Remind us.
It's a new little tripod,
Ooh, what is this?
just to do like vlogs, just for ambience,
You better than.
an ambiance. It actually puffed up a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
We're gonna try this first, okay? Alright, you want me to meet you up there?
Hand me the knife sharpener while you're
AccuSharp.
AccuSharp.
Yeah, I probably could have did a little bit more time in there.
No, it's fine. It looks great. I bet it tastes great. It's the size.
You want me to try it?
Alright, so we got our taste tester right here.
Piping hot.
Manny's wife. So our taste tester is
Let's try
coming
the
in
meat
for the
first.
very first slice.
Meat's good. It's got that Italian flavor. Got the Italian.
Let's see
Garlic
what
powder.
The garlic powder. Oh, I love it.
It should have been.
Right in
fresh
my heart. Garlic.
We didn't have any fresh produce, so I'm working with
I'm trying the noodles then. Trying the meat, and then I'm trying the noodles.
Oh.
Oh my god, the cheese is going good.
Yeah, it worked good.
Now I'm gonna try the whole package. The meats.
Oh, all
The
three.
meat, and then I'm gonna do a whole thing.
It's 1, 2, and 3. Let's get her in frame. Here.
Okay, I got me some noodles. I got me some meats. I'm gonna get a little bit of that sauce on the top.
They call Carlos the saucier.
Hey. Awesome.
Right here, Carlos, he knows his way around the kitchen.
Yeah, the noodles are good. 'Cause a lot of people like jack up the noodles.
I actually thought he overcooked them, but they came out just right.
I'm getting someone back upstairs with the child.
Get in here, she says.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah.
People sometimes put that ricotta cottage cheese stuff in. It's too much. This is good, simple.
And we were just working with what we got. We also didn't get fancy with it or nothing. But
It's better than the fancy stuff.
yeah, he did it. He did it well.
Right, you ready to go night night?
All right.
You guys want to try the second one?
I definitely want to try the second one.
It's basically the same, but just different type of
The
pasta.
pasta is different.
So really, what's the difference?
The pasta.
That's what we got here. Are we recording? Oh yeah, it looks good. Sounds good, smells good. I can't wait. Let's see what we have. Scorching.
And mind you, this one doesn't have that much meat on there.
Yeah, true.
For $29.95, you can get me to come to your house and cook for you.
And he'll go for real.
Just buy the airplane ticket. I've been invited to many people's houses
And the Rolls Royce.
to be a personal chef,
Yeah,
but I just never accept any offers.
we're in Texas. He'll go most places in Texas.
But we're not vegans,
You want-
We're meat
want the bread
eaters.
or no? Good.
and we like to eat all sorts of any type of food: Japanese, Italian, French.
This is my jam. I gotta take a couple slices home to my kids, because they're gonna love this.
You eyeballing me, camera? So that was a preparation of a simple hearty meal. 3 guys and an idea.
3 guys, 2 lasagnas. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, that's nice.
the title video. 3 guys, 2 lasagnas.
I was gonna say 3.5. 3 guys and a baby.